There's 19 questions, or there's 19 points of consideration when you're looking to have paint protection film installed. So price, the craftsmanship and passion of the company performing the work are the exclusive paint protection specialists, right? So that means there's a lot of side hustles, a lot of detail shops out there that are bringing in subcontractors. We talked about that before. Does a company have insurance? I mean, if they're professional, they should have insurance to take care of your vehicle when it's there. Where's your vehicle stored? Is it going to be parked outside? Is it inside? Are they responsive to you? Are they going to answer your phone calls? Are they going to answer your emails? Are they going to talk to you? The certified installers, when you're looking for paint protection film or you're looking for a ceramic coating, find that shop, find out what brand they're offering, and then verify that shop is on that brand name's website. So if you went to Suntech, we're certified by a couple different paint protection film manufacturers. You can find Immaculate Paint Protection on those websites. The ceramic coating is an example. The Geon ceramic coating product line that's in the shop, we're on Geon's site because we're certified. What does that mean? That means that that company that's selling the products somewhat believes, or they know that the quality of that shop that they're selling their products to is above board, right? So there's that should kind of help you out as a consumer. So hopefully, if things really go south with that shop, then you have some recourse with that brand manufacturer on that. Something to think about there. Licensed business. I mean, look, if you're in the Facebook marketplace looking for this stuff right now, chances are it's some dude chucking a truck and he's going to show up at your house and slap this on your driveway. If that's what you want to do, fine, but think about who you're going to let come to your house first, and then two, touch your vehicle. Positive client reviews. Check out the reviews. Take the Google reviews, the Yelp reviews with a grain of salt. Read through them. Reviews have an indication that the shop is good. Fake reviews, I know they're out there. Again, look for the service you're buying. So some of these shops that have 200-300 reviews, they're also detail shops, so they're running a lot of volume through. When we're running 1 and 2 cars to the shop a week, it's hard to get 300 reviews if you only do 100 cars a year. Is what products are they using? So what paint protection film are they using, and what ceramic coating are they using? That's what you want to take a look at. Proper prep work. So there was a couple hours washing this vehicle down before you put the PPF on. There's a couple hours polishing hours or days. There's a lot of time prepping the vehicle up for the ceramic coating. The vehicle's going to get wiped down one more time too. So that's, not taking the shortcuts in the job. So prep work, find out how long the vehicle's going to be in the shop for, and balance that against, price. I mean, that's a real easy one to do. If they tell you that the vehicle's going to be there a day in the price, well, now you know what's going on. Time is money. Everybody knows that. Reasonable product claims are being made. So if somebody tells you, hey, this ceramic coating we're going to put on your vehicle, never wash your vehicle again, I'm sorry, that's not true. We won't sell the product that way. If they tell you the benefits of it, but they should also be able to tell you some of the limitations of it. If you ask them a question and everything sounds too good to be true, it maybe possibly is. So they should be able to tell you, if you ask a question, and sometimes if they don't know, they should tell you they don't know. Alternative transportation arrangements being arranged. So, do you need a ride home? Do you rental car, etc.? One-stop shopping. So do you have to, are you going to take your car to one shop for ceramic coating, then to the place for the PPF, on and on, bouncing back and forth? Ideally, if you've got a brand new vehicle, you want the vehicle all at one spot. You want the work done, right? You want the PPF installed. You want the ceramic coating all done at one shop, one time for you. Integrity. Look, can you trust your installer? So, look, you're only going to know that by your gut, and you're going to know that based upon your experience. So, if you're buying this for the first time, you're just going to have to step out in faith and trust somebody. In lieu of that, do your research, talk to those, find some people that have been to that shop. If they tell you they had a bad experience, find out why. If they won't recommend them, find out why. If they tell you, hey, there's an amazing shop, I'm going back, I've had 3, 4, 5 cars done by that shop, that's the place to go to. That, to me, that peace of mind of knowing where your car is going to be for a few days is worthwhile. And then, this is kind of cheesy here, but number 19, will your car look immaculate? Well, if you want your car, truck, or SUV to look immaculate, number 19, you got to come to Immaculate Paint Protection. So those are some of the things to think about when people come in and just say, what's the price? Look, I get it. You don't want to make a mistake The car, the truck, the SUV is a huge purchase. Look, the Hondas and the Kias are now $50,000, $60,000, and that's important to those families. And those families with the Hondas and Kias, we're going to treat them just like the Corvette and the Ferrari owners. And in some respects, those $50,000, $60,000 cars, those are the ones that need the paint protection film or ceramic coating more than these high-end supercars, just because they're out on the road every day. And that investment really means a lot more to the family. That's just the economics. That's not to say one group's better than the other, but the guys with the supercars, they have multiple cars. You can get paint protection film and ceramic coating done at the same time. Paint protection film goes on first, ceramic coating goes on top. Paint protection film stops the rocks and the stone chips. Ceramic coating makes it easy to wash, easy to clean. If you're working on a budget, how does that work? So the paint protection film, we typically only apply paint protection film to the most vulnerable areas that are going to get paint chips, scratched, swirled up. That's the benefit there. The ceramic coating goes onto the whole vehicle. So some people, they look and they go, well, oh, I can get my whole vehicle done for about the same price as I can get just some of my vehicle done, and they want to go get the ceramic coating because the whole vehicle can get done. It's not, you can't compare it that way. It's not the same. They're different protections. The price is the same, but it's different protections, different applications. Here's what we recommend. We recommend putting paint protection film on first. The reason being is paint protection film works every time you drive your vehicle. Paint protection works every time you drive your vehicle to protect your vehicle from rock chips and stone chips. Every time you drive your vehicle, you're going to run the risk of getting some type of paint impact, rocks, stones. If you're in the Northeast, if you're in the Rust Belt area, when the rock salt gets on the road, that's going to come up, chip the paint. The ceramic coating works when the vehicle is driven in rainy conditions, bird bombs, etc., out in the sunset and all the days. So if you have a high-end car that you only drive when the weather's super, super nice, you know, the benefits you receive from the ceramic coating will not be as great as your daily driver. The upside, though, is if you have a car and you just maintain it, if you have that super high-end car that only goes out when it's not a cloud in the sky and everything's dry, that ceramic coating will last indefinitely if you buy the right ceramic coating for you. So buy paint protection film first because it's always working every time you drive your car, then think about the ceramic coating. That's where we're at with that. We also have some full feature-length videos on a Tesla, on a couple pickup trucks. You can check those out on YouTube or check us out on our website at immaculatepaintprotection.com for the full feature-length videos.